How to pay for Hulu through iTunes. In this video, I will explain each and everything that how you can pay for Hulu subscription through your iTunes. So there are only 10 steps which you have to follow and make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, you have to open your App Store. Of course, you have already installed iTunes in your phone. If you haven't, then make sure you just visit the App Store and download the iTunes. Now search for Hulu. So you will use the search bar which is on the bottom of the screen to search for Hulu. Select Hulu app. Once you open the Hulu app in the search result, tap to open the app page. Now you need to have the subscription, right? So make sure if you don't have the subscription, then you have to buy a subscription of Hulu. Now tap to get or subscribe button, and once you have taken or confirmed the subscription, you have to choose the plan and everything is done. Then do the payment of your Hulu subscription, right? And once you access your Hulu content, once your subscription is confirmed, you have to access Hulu content through the Hulu app on your iOS device. Now just go to the manage subscription. If you ever need to manage or cancel your Hulu subscription, you can do so through your iTunes account setting. Go to the settings, then you have to go to the iTunes and App Store, tap on your Apple ID subscription, then move to Hulu to manage your subscription option. By following all these steps, I will make sure that this video will make sure that you have fixed your problem. I hope you found this video very useful.